Hello and welcome to your favorite channel, Senior Health Guide, where we talk about everything that helps you live healthier, longer, and better, especially after the age of 60. Asterisk, if your vision is getting blurry. Asterisk, if you struggle to read small print. Asterisk, if you've started squinting at your phone or TV. Asterisk, then this video is for you. Asterisk, today, we're going to tell you about one powerful vitamin that can protect your eyes and even restore your vision naturally and safely. Asterisk, so let's get started. Asterisk, why vision declines after 60. Asterisk, as we age, our eyes naturally begin to weaken. Asterisk, by the time we hit 60, we're at a much higher risk of asterisk, macular degeneration, asterisk, cataracts, asterisk, dry eyes, asterisk, blurry or cloudy vision, asterisk, sensitivity to light, asterisk, this happens because the cells in our eyes, especially the retina, start to get damaged over time due to oxidative stress, lack of nutrients, and poor blood circulation, asterisk, but here's the good news. Asterisk, just one vitamin can help. Asterisk, modern research has shown that vitamin A, especially in the form of beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, plays a vital role in eye health. Asterisk, and when combined with other antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, it creates a powerful shield for your vision. Asterisk, taking just one capsule daily with these ingredients can asterisk, slow down age-related vision loss, asterisk, improve night vision, asterisk, reduce dryness and irritation, asterisk, protect against UV and blue light damage, asterisk, strengthen the retina and macula, asterisk, isn't that amazing? Asterisk, how does it work? Asterisk, let's break it down simply. Asterisk, vitamin A, retinol or beta-carotene, asterisk, keeps the cornea clear and helps prevent night blindness. Asterisk, lutein and zeaxanthin, asterisk, these are carotenoids found in the retina. They filter harmful light and protect the eye tissues from oxidative damage. Asterisk, vitamin C and E, asterisk, these antioxidants reduce inflammation and fight free radicals that harm eye cells. Asterisk, helps carry vitamin A from the liver to the retina, improving vision clarity and supporting the immune system of the eyes. Asterisk, together, these nutrients work like a team to keep your eyes younger, sharper, and more comfortable. Asterisk, what to look for in a supplement, asterisk, when buying a vitamin supplement for your eyes. Make sure it contains asterisk, vitamin A, preferably as beta-carotene, asterisk, lutein, at least 10 milligrams, asterisk, zeaxanthin, asterisk, vitamin C 500 milligrams or more, asterisk, vitamin E 400 IU, asterisk, zinc 25 to 80 milligrams, asterisk, also, make sure it is asterisk, third-party tested, asterisk, free from artificial colors or preservatives, asterisk, easy to swallow, asterisk, designed specifically for eye health, asterisk, bonus. If it includes omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, great for dry eyes. Asterisk, best time to take it, asterisk, you should take this vitamin, asterisk, once daily. Preferably with a meal, asterisk, morning or lunchtime is ideal, asterisk, and always drink a full glass of water, asterisk. This helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins more effectively. Asterisk, when will you see results? Asterisk, most seniors report noticeable improvement in asterisk, eye moisture, asterisk, night vision, asterisk, less blurriness, asterisk, better focus on text and screens, asterisk, within 4 to 8 weeks of regular use, asterisk, but remember, consistency is key. It's not a magic pill, it's nutrition for your eyes. Asterisk, other eye-friendly habits, asterisk, while taking this supplement, also follow these tips. Asterisk, eat leafy green spinach, kale, asterisk, add more carrots, oranges, and eggs to your diet, asterisk, sleep at least 7 hours, asterisk, use anti-glare glasses when needed, asterisk, reduce screen time, asterisk, walk daily to improve blood circulation, asterisk, your eyes need both internal and external care. Asterisk, who should avoid it? Asterisk, this supplement is generally safe, but asterisk, avoid high-dose vitamin A if you have liver problems, asterisk, always consult your doctor if you are on medication or pregnant, asterisk, don't exceed the recommended dose, asterisk, so if You're over 60 and tired of living with blurry vision, dry eyes, or trouble seeing at night. Don't ignore it. Asterisk, your eyes deserve the best care. Asterisk, just one vitamin capsule daily, packed with the right nutrients, can protect your vision and restore your eye health naturally. Asterisk, because clear sight is a gift. Don't let age take it away. Asterisk, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Asterisk, share it with your family and friends who might benefit. Asterisk, and don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more tips on aging healthy and gracefully. Asterisk, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep seeing the beauty of life clearly. Asterisk, real life stories. What seniors are saying. Asterisk, you might be wondering. Asterisk, does this really work? Asterisk, let's look at what real people over 60 have said after consistently using eye vitamins. Asterisk, Mrs. Fatima, 67 years old. Asterisk, I was struggling to read the Quran clearly. After just 1 month of taking this supplement daily, I could see more clearly, especially in the evening light. My eyes don't feel as dry anymore. Asterisk, Mr. Ahmed, 72 years old. Asterisk, I used to avoid driving at night because of blurry lights and glare. But now, after taking the supplement for 2 months, the brightness doesn't hurt as much, and my night vision is sharper. Asterisk, these are not miracle stories. They're results of consistent daily nutrition your eyes desperately need, but don't get from food alone. Asterisk, the science behind it, proven in studies. Asterisk, let's take a quick look at the science. Asterisk, many studies, especially the AREDS and AREDS studies by the National Eye Institute, showed that a combination of lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, E, and zinc Asterisk, slowed down age-related macular degeneration. Asterisk, reduced the risk of vision loss. Asterisk, improved retinal health. Asterisk, these aren't internet rumors. Asterisk, they single quotes real, peer-reviewed studies involving thousands of seniors. Asterisk, when science and personal experience both say the same thing. Asterisk, it's time to take it seriously. Asterisk, why diet alone isn't enough. Asterisk, you might say. Asterisk, I already eat healthy. I eat carrots and vegetables. Asterisk, that's wonderful, but here's the truth. Asterisk, after 60, your body's ability to absorb nutrients decreases. Asterisk, many vegetables today are lower in nutrients due to soil quality. Asterisk, you would need to eat huge amounts daily to match the vitamin levels proven to help. Asterisk, that's why a supplement is not cheating. It's smart support. A targeted way to make sure your eyes are getting what they need every day. Asterisk, warning signs you need this vitamin. Asterisk, here are 7 common signs your eyes are starving for nutrition. Asterisk, blurry vision in low light. Asterisk, dry or burning sensation. Asterisk, increased sensitivity to light or glare. Asterisk, difficulty focusing on nearby text. Asterisk, headaches after reading or screen use. Asterisk, faded colors. Asterisk, frequent eye rubbing or fatigue. Asterisk, if you're nodding your head to 2 or more of these, this is your wake-up call. Asterisk, frequently asked questions. Fact. Asterisk, let's address some of the most common questions we get. Asterisk, is this vitamin safe for diabetics? Asterisk, yes, but always choose sugar-free formulas and consult your doctor. Asterisk, can I take it with blood pressure medication? Asterisk, most likely yes, but it's wise to check with your physician first. Asterisk, is this for both men and women? Asterisk, absolutely. It works for all genders over 50 to 60 years of age. Asterisk, can younger adults take it too? Asterisk, yes, but the real benefits are for those at risk of age-related eye decline. Asterisk, the bottom line. Your eyes are worth it. Asterisk, let's be honest. Asterisk, we spend money on so many things. Asterisk, but how often do we invest in our eyesight, the very gift that connects us to the world? Asterisk, just one small vitamin capsule a day can make all the difference between. Asterisk, struggling to read. Asterisk, avoiding night driving. Asterisk, missing the joy of seeing your grandkids clearly. Asterisk, and living a vibrant, independent life. Asterisk. Why your vision declines after 60, how just one daily vitamin can help restore and protect your eyesight, what nutrients you must look for in a good eye supplement. Know in Part 3, let's talk about the smart lifestyle choices, best vitamin options, and daily habits that make your vision care truly effective. Lifestyle plus supplement equals lasting eye health. Taking a vitamin is a great step, but pairing it with the right habits makes it even more powerful. Here are 5 easy changes that work with your eye supplement to keep your vision sharp. 1. 20-20-20 rule when using screens, TV, phone, or tablet. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It reduces digital eye strain, a major issue in older adults. 2. Keep your eyes hydrated. Makes blurry vision worse. Drink 810 glasses of water daily. Eat cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens. Also, avoid direct air from fans or heaters on your eyes. Wear sunglasses. Outdoor sunlight damages the retina over time. Always wear UV protective sunglasses when outside, even on cloudy days. Quit smoking. If you do, smoking doubles your risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD). It also dries the eyes and reduces blood flow to the retina. If you quit now, your eyes will thank you, even in your 60s and 70s. Prioritize quality sleep. During sleep, your eyes detox and repair themselves. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night. How to know if the vitamin is working? Here's what to watch for after 4 to 8 weeks of taking your supplement daily. Less eye strain while reading, clearer vision in dim light, reduced eye dryness or redness, better focus on fine details, colors seem brighter and sharper. Remember, these changes are gradual, so stay consistent. Top recommended nutrient blend. Ideal formula. Make sure your vitamin contains this full combo, often known as the Arids to formula. Lutein, 10 to 20 milligrams. Zeaxanthin, 2 to 5 milligrams. Vitamin C, 500 to 1000 milligrams. Vitamin E, 400 EU. Zinc oxide, 25 to 80 milligrams. Copper to 2 milligrams to balance zinc. Optional, but excellent. Omega-3 DHA vitamin A or beta-carotene. Look for Arids to compliant on the label. That means it's backed by real clinical research for age-related vision protection. What to avoid in eye vitamins: artificial colors or sweeteners, low-dose multivitamins pretending to support eyes, unlisted or unclear ingredient supplements without reviews or third-party testing. Always check the label and go with reputed brands only. When should you switch or stop? Most people tolerate eye vitamins very well. But if you notice stomach upset, salical reactions, then stop and consult your doctor. Otherwise, this is a long-term support tool, not just a temporary fix. Think of it as daily food for your eyes. Vision is quality of life. Don't wait, think about this. You use your eyes every waking moment, but are you truly taking care of them? Can you imagine seeing your grandchild smile clearly? Reading your favorite book without strain? Watching your favorite show without squinting? All of this becomes easier when your eyes are nourished, and that starts with one smart decision. Start a good eye supplement today. If you're over 60 and want to enjoy life with clear, confident vision, remember, a trusted eye supplement, healthy daily habits, regular checkups. A simple formula for lifelong eye health. Comment below, I choose clear vision after 60. And let us know your experience or questions. The final episode in our vision care series for seniors. In this section, we'll talk about the top 3 eye supplement brands recommended by experts. What makes each one special. Where to buy them safely. And how to avoid fake or ineffective products. So let's get started. Top 3 eye vitamin brands for seniors over 60. After reviewing formulas, research, and customer feedback, here are the 3 best eye supplements that follow the AREDS to formula and are trusted worldwide. Preservision Arids to by Bausch plus Lomb formulated based on the original Arids to clinical study. Contains lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, E, zinc, and copper. No beta-carotene, safe for smokers. Trusted by eye doctors globally. Ideal for seniors with early signs of macular degeneration, night vision issues, or eye strain. To soft goals daily with food. Available at Amazon, Walgreens, iHerb, Bausch plus Lomb website. Ocuvite Adults 50 Plus by Bausch plus Lomb **, specially designed for those over 50, contains lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, omega-3, and antioxidants * more affordable. Available in most pharmacies ***, mild to moderate eye dryness and screen fatigue. In aging adults ***, 1 tablet daily ***, also available in gummies for those who dislike pills ***. I promise Zeaxanthin plus Lutein * high potency Lutein 10 mg and Zeaxanthin 10 mg. No unnecessary fillers or artificial colors, * and SF certified for purity *, excellent for improving contrast sensitivity and night vision ***, seniors. With advanced digital screen use : 1 soft gold daily ***, available at *ipromise.com. Amazon. Select Vision Clinics ***, bonus options budget or plant-based ***, if you prefer a vegan or more affordable option. ***, Mary Ruth's Eye Care Gummies vegan and sugar-free ***, Nature's Way Vision Health ***, 21st century healthy eyes budget-friendly option. ***, just make sure the dose is close to AREDS to standards. Even if you take to tablets daily. Avoid these red flags while shopping *** products without full label transparency ***, mega vision brands with no clinical backing ***. Supplements with underdose lutein, less than 5 mg fake Amazon reviews or no return policy ***, always buy from official websites. Trusted pharmacies or certified online stores ***, look for terms like ***, clinically tested ***, third-party verified ***, doctor recommended ***, Amazon, check ships from and sold by Amazon.com ***, iHerb ***, official brand websites ***, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart online ***, in-store options local pharmacy or medical store optical shops that offer nutrition products ask your eye doctor for suggestions don't forget to check for senior discounts or bundles for 2 to 3 month supplies. They save money in the long run. Final checklist before you buy before clicking add to cart. Ask yourself, does this contain lutein and zeaxanthin? Are vitamin C, E, zinc, and copper included? Is it based on AREDS 2 or a clinically researched formula? Is it third-party tested? Are the reviews mostly positive and authentic? If yes, then it's a good choice. Consist of how to store and use your eye vitamin properly once you buy your supplement. Store it in a cool, dry place keep the lid tightly closed take your dose at the same time every day with food mark your calendar or set an alarm for consistency final words, complete your eye care routine by now. You've learned everything you need to protect your vision after 60. Why vision declines with age which nutrients support eye health how to choose the best vitamin what lifestyle changes amplify results remember, your eyesight is your connection to the world. Don't leave it to chance. Comment below. Thanks for helping me choose the best eye vitamin. Let us know which brand worked for you, or ask us if you're still confused. Like this video share it with family or friends over 50. Subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more videos on healthy aging Until next time, take your vitamin, protect your eyes, and keep seeing the world clearly. Allah Hafiz.